When you're trying to find your mystery signal, it can be helpful to use the trigger function. It's found here on the oscilloscope. If you click on the menu, you can choose which type of triggering you would like to do. There's edge and pulse. Edge will sweep the edge of your signal, as it says. And we'd like to keep it on the channel where our signal is. The slope is where the trigger will start, so if it's on the rising edge, it will start on the positive slope. And an important setting is this mode. And auto basically has the oscilloscope automatically sweep your signal, even without a trigger. Meanwhile, in normal mode, your oscilloscope only sweeps if there is a trigger. When trying to find a mystery signal, choosing the auto setting is very helpful. So here on the level knob, we can choose the level at which voltage we want to trigger our signal. And now I have moved into the voltage of our signal, and our signal is triggered.